lead that lap now. We're on single file as of right now. And alright, I'm recording now.
You lost it there. He tried too hard.
Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah, there it is.
I cost him.
Hang on, he's got 6 more chances, guys.
He's game. He's got 12 more chances.
No, no, I'm talking about the laps.
Oh, I'm talking about the corners. He's got 11 now. Yeah, 6 times 2 is 12. So we got 10 more. I'm up.
5 to go. So this is like a 3, possibly soon floor car battle?
No, that's it. He tried it. That's it. That's it right there.
Oh.
Oh, John Hunter.
Oh boy.
Here he comes. Send me out.
Bye, Hemrick.
Give me check. Give me check.
Come on.
Come on. Nemechek's gonna ruin this.
4 to go.
Side swipe him. This is crazy racing for second. They're gonna wreck each other.
I can tell.
Whoa.
No, Nemechek. There he goes. There he goes.
Crossover. Now, these freaking idiots were side by side, and now Byron's got it.
3 to go.
I'm fine if Byron wins, but I'd like to see some kind of racing for a chance.
Alright, it's cool. It's cool to see Byron winning. It's cool to see Byron winning, honestly, but man, I was going for Hemrick.
Oh yeah, he's gonna get there. Oh yeah, Hunter's gonna get there probably. Oh man, this is gonna be one exciting finish.
Oh boy. Got some young guns going at it.
Oh yeah, he's gaining big time.
Got some young guns. Here we go. 2 to go.
This is gonna be a great finish. Hopefully.
Oh, he turned him.
About a lap and a half remaining. John Hunter's there. He's right there.
With small equipment, he's got this. I think. Get the draft. Draft him.
White flag. White flag. Byron or John Hunter. Or if they both wreck, could be Hemrick.
I think Byron's got this. White flag.
Yeah. Hunter's too far back. Oh, there's a slow truck. No.
Who was that?
Was that? Hunter, is he gonna throw it in?
Was that Ben Kennedy?
No. Throw it in. Nope.
Byron.
Byron's gonna win.
He's got this.
Gonna be a somewhat finish for second. Nope. Only Byron wins.
Hold on. And Byron wins it. Well, that was a great battle,
I'd
though.
like to see if John Hunter used the bumper there.
I'll be right back. Hold on.
But I can breathe easily now. I thought they were gonna wreck up there. Wow. What a finish. After this Ford win, Elvis Motorsports. Truck Series.
He has earned his 4th win with William Byron. What has impressed you the most about this young racer?
He gets it. He just goes out there and does it. He's smooth and he listens to everything we say. He just goes.
All right, William Byron. 4 wins. He's definitely a championship favorite for the trucks. surface.
Yep. Finally, I'm back. Sorry about that. 51 wins. How about that? I never knew that until now. Hang on. There's Hemrick. So close again.
Frustration there. So close.
Hemrick is so close again. And again and again and again.